If your business finances live in a spreadsheet, you're one formula error away from an IRS nightmare. And trust me, this happens more often than you think. Spreadsheets may look simple, but they come with hidden costs. Manual data entry leads to mistakes, and even small errors can become expensive. On average, spreadsheet error rates are around 1 to 4%. And in finance, that's a big risk. Now, think about taxes. If your numbers are wrong, your fillings are wrong, and that can lead to penalties or even audits. So, a small formula mistake can turn into a serious compliance issue. And it's not just about errors, it's about time. Hours go into manual entry, checking formulas, and fixing issues. That's time you could spend actually growing your business. Now compare this with AI powered bookkeeping. Spreadsheets have a 1 to 4% error rate, while HelloBooks.ai delivers 95% accuracy with automation, no manual data entry, automatic reconciliation, real time error detection, so problems are caught early before they cost your money. Now, you might think switching is difficult, but it's actually very simple. With HelloBooks.ai, you can import your spreadsheet in one click, see time savings within 30 days, and get support during the transaction. So the switch is smooth and stress-free. So which tool should you choose in 2026? QuickBooks, Xero, and HelloBooks.ai all claim to be best, but what actually matters is performance in real business use. After testing all three, HelloBooks.ai stands out because it offers 95% plus AI accuracy, real-time financial insights, pricing that grows with your business, so you're not just managing finances, you're optimizing them. So, if you're still using spreadsheets, it's time to upgrade. Start your free trial with HelloBooks.ai today, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.